Welcome to Logos Center. We are standing in our vegetable garden. As you can see, we have a lot of vegetables, winter vegetables, getting ready. Your cabbage is getting round and tight. Look at this. Yeah, maybe another week or so, and it will be ready for harvest. And yeah, these are the cabbage we have. Here you can see broccoli getting ready, maybe another week or two, and it will be ready for harvest. This is how we have some other vegetables also, which I'd like to show you. We have peas also, as you see here. A lot of small plants are there, and peas are getting ready. Here are our spring onions, looking so green, ready for our kitchen purpose. And here are our cucumbers getting ready. We are using compost manure for our garden, and today I am going to teach my students how compost is being prepared. They have studied in their book, but I just want them to have a hands-on real life experience how this compost is being made. So please come along with me. Let's have this session on compost making. How many of you know about composting? Any idea? Have you heard about what compost? What is compost, by the way?
Manure.
Manure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of manure it is?
Biodegradable.
Biodegradable. Okay, great. So I will show you a compost pit, which is earlier we used to dig inside the soil. Okay, but now we have a compost drum instead of pit. So I'll show you how it is, what it is. Can you see the hole here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you tell me what is the role of these holes? Why do we need these holes? What helps in decomposing the biomaterial? What? Insects. Okay. To be more precise, it is microorganisms. So these are all living bodies. Therefore, it requires oxygen, and therefore these holes will give them a regular supply of air, and obviously it is oxygen which is there in the air, and that's why we have made all these things. And can you see a hole at the bottom? What is the role of this hole? As we put all these biodegradable materials inside, there will be some kind of juice getting extracted. So we will hold it in a pan so that we can use it in the garden, because it is very nutritious for the plants. A lot of nutrients are there which are very helpful for the growth of plant. That's why we need a hole at the bottom. Okay, now we'll go for the mixing of it. So who will help me? Any volunteer? Yes, Asim. So look, what is this?
Dry leaves. Dry leaves.
These are dry leaves, right?
Yes, sir.
If we put the dry leaves inside and then let it get decomposed, what do you think? How long will it take? Which is easy to decompose, dry leaves or this green leaves? Obviously it is green leaf, and dry leaves will take a lot of time to get decomposed, and you have to keep watering also. And therefore there is a role of dry leaves as well as there is a role of green leaves. So can you just help me put all these things inside? Just put everything inside. So first we have this dry leaves inside. We will spread it. Can we get a stick or something? Oh yes, that is fine. Let's do that. Yeah. So we have just spread it all over evenly, and now we have what are these actually?
Vegetable waste.
Vegetable peels, kitchen waste. You see, fruit.
Yes, sir.
Or these. Or yeah, vegetable peels, and then fruit, orange peels, so many things. So whatever you have in your kitchen, okay, you can put all those things here, So we will put this also. Evenly. Whenever you put all these things, make sure that if you put it evenly, it should get spread all over. Now, can you see these things? Can you focus it here? Look, these are the weeds which we took out from our garden as we were cleaning our garden. So you can see it is half decomposed. So this also has a role. We will put this also inside. It will make this decomposition faster. So we are spreading it. All right. And on top of this, we will put these leaves. These are again from our garden. See, all cabbage and broccoli, extra leaves which are not required. We have removed it and we are placing it inside. And it will take time. After some time, we will come and see as it reacts. The temperature goes up. We'll check that in days to come. Okay. So now, what all things we have put? Dry leaves, then kitchen waste, vegetable peels, and then some half decomposed leaves which we had in the garden. So now it is kept inside, and the process will begin. We have to keep it in a shade. That's how we have done it, and then we have to cover it, and we just cover so that extra water does not get inside. It should not become very soggy. Okay, so this is how we will cover, and we'll keep on checking time to time. All right, and we have another compost pit where it's ready. So I'll show you that. This is another compost bin that we have, and it is full. Okay, and I told you about that hole underneath. So we have a bowl here. See, this is how this vegetable juice is coming out. It is highly nutritious. A lot of nutrients are there for the plants. Okay, and we'll keep it inside again. And look at this inside. What is the color of this manure? Can you see this? It's black. It is ready. So once your manure is ready, it looks this color, and it is very good manure for your garden. So look, we are not going anywhere. Whatever vegetables we are using at home, all those things, instead of throwing it away, we have this bin. It is getting decomposed inside. So no bad smells outside. At the same time, we are getting something useful. So you can see here, there's vegetable peels are there. Some are rotten, some are rotting. It takes time. Okay. All right. So this is what we have. Is there anyone who has ever seen this kind of decomposition done in this and manure making?
No, sir.
None of you?
No, sir.
I guess you'll remember this.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So let's get back to our studies.